Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can hide your name as well as your rank and if you have VIP or not on Dress to Impress. So to hide everything, you are going to select the settings button here and you are just going to select name tag and hide, and it's going to literally hide everything like your name, your rank, and if you have VIP or not. And it's just a good way so that people don't know, unless you go to the runway and you're wearing a VIP item, then they will know, but they won't be able to judge you on your rank and stuff like that if you don't want people to see. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.